Number 1, Melly earns 9.50 an hour plus 3% commission on all sales made. If her total sales during 30-hour work week were 500, how much did she earn? So dito, 30 hour ang tinabaho niya. So multiply mo na kagad sa 950 per hour. So more or less, kung 10 pesos yan, 300. Dahil 950, so less than 300. At dagdagan mo pa yan ng 3% commission. So obvious dito, letter C and D, posibleng answer na yan. Hindi na pwede ang A, hindi na pwede ang B. So C and D na lang. So yung 3% commission niya, bali sa benta, idadagdag mo pa yon sa 30 times 9.5. So dito, makita mo na kagad na obvious na ang sagot ay letter D. Number 2, the area of one circle is 4 times as large as smaller circle with a radius of 3 inches. The radius of the larger circle is, so dito, alam natin ang area ng circle is A equals pi r square. So, yung given, kung radius niya ay 3 inches, ang area niya ay 9 pi. Pero sinabi din ng itong mas malaking circle ay 4 times as large as smaller. So kung 4 times yan, ibig sabihin 36 yan. 4 times 9, 36. So kung ano yung nakagad natin, square root ng 36 ay 6. So the answer is 6 inches. Letter D. Number 2, 2 runners finish a race in 80 seconds. Another runner finished the race in 72. And the fourth one is 68 seconds. So, apat sila, dalawa 80, isang 72, isang 68. So, madali lang to, average lang to. I-add mo yung apat at divide by 4. At ang sagot niyan ay 75 seconds. Okay, sa example na to, may apat na values, 75, 80, 70, 75, divided by 4. So, may technique dito, ang tawag namin dito ay PLMAT technique, na ang gagawin mo, yung 80, bawasan mo ng 5. So, pag binawasan mo ng 5, magiging 75. So, may dalawa lang 75. Tatlo na nga actually. Tapos yung 5 na binawas mo, ilipat mo sa 70. Okay, magiging 75. So, magiging 4 na yung 75. So, ang average niya ay 75. Number 4. If 400 people can be seated in 8 subway cars, kung hindi natin alam yung subway cars, palagay natin wagon, how many people can be seated in 5 wagon? So, dito, obvious, kung 8 wagon yan, 400 na tao, so, divide mo lang yan, 400 divided by 8 equals 50. So, dahil bumabang bilang ng wagon, yung 50 na yan, multiply mo sa 5 na bagong wagon, at ang sagot dyan ay letter B, 250. Number 5. An employee earns 8.25 an hour. In 30 hours, what earnings are made? So dito, multiplication lang yan, pero dito, pwede mong multiply mo na kagad ang 30 times 8 batch, letter C. Pero mayroon pang 25 centavos, i-multiply mo din sa 30 hours. So, 25 parang 1/4 yan. So, yung 1/4 ng 30 ay 15 kalahati at 750 ang 1/4. So, 240 plus 750, ang sagot ay letter B, 247.50. Number 6. There are 72 freshmen in the band, or ibig sabihin yan 72 first year in the batch. Kung itong first year na to, freshman, ay 1/3 ng buong batch, o kaya buong batch ng 2020, the total number of students in the batch is what? Kung 72 ay 1/3, ibig sabihin 72 plus 72 plus 72, yun ang buong batch ng klase ng batch 2020. So, pag in-add mo lahat yan, 72 o 70 times 3, 210 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 216. The answer is letter D. Number 7. Kid C receives 30 for her birthday and 15 for cleaning the garage. Kung bumili siya ng candies worth 16 pesos, 16, how much money does she have left? So, dito, additional lang, then subtract. So, kung unahin natin yung 15 and 16, so may negative 1 pa, ibawas natin sa 30, magiging 29. So, the answer is letter A, 29. Number 8. A radio is on sale for 20% off. Ibig sabihin, ang discount niya 20%, ang original price niya ay 80%. Dahil 100 minus 20%, yun ang original price. So, obvious, kapag 80%, multiply mo sa 1,000, ang sagot ay 800. So, the answer is letter D. Number 9. A bread recipe calls for 3 1/4 cups of flour. Kinapos ka, ang flour mo lang ay 2 1/8. Ngayon, how much more flour is needed? So, subtraction lang yan. 3 1/4 minus 2 1/8. Dito, pwede mo namang sabihin na yung 3 1/4 is the same as 3 2/8. Dahil gagamitin natin yung denominator 8. So, dahil lang given ay 2 1/8. So, 3 2/8 minus 2 1/8 equals 1 1/8. The answer is letter A, 1 1/8. Number 10. How many omelettes can be made from 2 dozen eggs? If an omelette contains 3 eggs. So, dapat, alam mo yung ibig sabihin ng dozen, 12, 12. So, 2 dozen, 24 yan. At bawat isang omelette, may 3 itlog, 3 eggs. So, 24 divided by 3 equals 8. The answer is letter D.